From the company trusted to protect bank vaults the world over, comes the SECURAM Touch, the world's first fingerprint smart deadbolt for your home. Unlocking your front door has never been easier or more secure. Simply touch the fingerprint scanner and you're in. It's fast, highly secure, reliable, and more convenient than a key. With the Touch, you are the key. The SECURAM Touch is smart, too. Now you can manage and control entry to your home using the SECURAM app. Remote open, receive notifications, set up users, and view history all from your smartphone. The SECURAM Touch can accommodate up to 30 users, each with 2 fingerprints and 1 code. Setting up the Touch is very easy. Just follow the voice guidance. To begin, press the gear icon and listen for the prompts.
Press 2. Delete user. Press 3. Set volume. Press 6. Pair phone. Press 8.
Let's enroll the first user, the administrator owner. Users can be enrolled as either owners or visitors. Press the gear icon to begin.
Add user. Press 2. Enter code. Verified successfully. Enroll the administrator first. Place first finger. Lift finger. Place finger. Lift finger. Place finger. Fingerprint enrolled successfully. Place second finger. Lift finger. Place finger. Lift finger. Place finger. Fingerprint enrolled successfully. Enter new code. Repeat new code. Operation successful. Owner added successfully.
To enroll additional users, simply repeat this process. Now let's see how easy it is to use the SECURAM Touch. To open the lock, just touch the fingerprint scanner. Once inside, rotate the thumb turn to lock. You can also set up auto lock function in the app. There is a restrict visitor button on the inside also. Sliding the switch to red denies visitor access. Upon exit, turn the thumb turn to open the lock, then press any button to secure the door. SECURAM Touch. Smart, convenient, security uncompromised.